So you got electric points.
Electric
all
points.
plug and play. Hi guys, this is Marlin here at Hearns Hobbies.
And I'm Brett.
And we are going to have an expose of Kato Unitrack.
Really? A demonstration?
Yes. Yeah, we're going to demonstrate how to put it together.
How easy?
Tips and trips.
Tips and tricks.
And trips. Yep, and we're going to demonstrate the power turnouts and how easy they are to use.
Let's do it. Let's get stuck into it. So we've got a small section of track here and a power controller. Can I call it that?
That's it, yeah.
Are we going to meet in the middle? So
we are.
We're going to click these on.
We're going to mirror each other's little kind of like a shunting layout sort of thing on the table.
A shunting layout.
That's it.
I'm not quite as proficient as your good self there, BJ. BJ.
That's okay.
Young Marlin.
Surrogate BJ.
Sorry, BJ. Now I've got the controller here. Can I call it a controller? Am I calling it the right?
Power pack. They call
power
it
pack.
Standard Kato power pack. So that's plugged into the wall.
And we've got some switchy things.
Yeah. So turnout controllers, I think.
Turnout controllers.
So how do they go together there, Brett? How did you make that work?
They just seem to clip together, like so.
Oh wow.
Did you call for me?
I was apologising.
Apologising to me?
I was apologising to you, BJ, as I called Marlin you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Marlin.
You're part of the episode now.
Excellent.
You may as well come in.
What do you mean? No, sorry. I'll see you later.
All right. So you've just pushed that into the side of the controller.
I've pushed that into the
side.
side.
So was the idea that it carries the electrical current through the controller.
Now I'm going to put this one at this side.
I think you've got it upside down, do you? No, it's the right side up.
And then we'll put this one here. Let's go ahead and plug that in there.
Get our cords out of the way.
We'll get our cords out of the way. Now obviously you're going to spend a little bit more time than this doing it at home. I've got one cord left over. Where does this one go?
That goes into the track.
Into the track?
Yeah, we need to power the track. I just realized that we haven't done that.
How do I do that?
I'll show you. There's one piece of track in here that is designed specifically to power the whole railway. And I've just found it. It's this piece here. Looks the same as everything else on the top, but there's actually a plug underneath it. Right here.
Ah!
Yeah.
They are so nifty.
I have a really good idea. Why don't we put that in the middle?
Put it in the middle?
Yeah.
It's going to be even more wires. You sure you want it in the middle?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's not going to get electrocuted, am I?
If you do, it will be very low voltage. I think you'll be okay.
And it would probably be funny. Can we say that?
Yeah, if you're into that sort of humor, absolutely.
All right, can I play with it?
You can. Can we get a closer look at the points?
Well, why not? Let's zoom in. We're going to have to come right in there, mate.
That looks really good.
That looks really good.
Look at that. So you got electric points.
Electric
all
points.
plug and play.
Yep.
Because the point motor is built into the roadbed of the Kato Unitrack.
That is phenomenal.
And the turnout switch gets the power piggybacked off of the controller. And we just plugged all of that in.
We just plugged and wired that in a matter of a few minutes, didn't we?
Why don't we get a locomotive? Why don't we get that wonderful new little 009 Pico steam engine? And
Well,
put it
it's
on
not
here.
just Pico.
Oh, Pico and Kato.
That's right.
That's right. So we'll put that in the middle.
Can I drive it?
You can. And not only can you drive it, but now you can choose one of 4 directions to go. Look at that. That fits.
I can barely figure out how to walk one foot in front of another now to drive a train.
Let me just get that on the track real nice. Oh, there we go. Go for it.
So we're turning.
Yep.
We might need to come out a little bit more there.
I think so.
Or can we
Let's
move
move that across.
So let's go forward. And look how smooth it's actually working.
Yeah.
And this is a brand new loco.
Brand new loco, brand new track. Yeah.
So if I change this point here, as simple as that.
Yep.
Now we're going straight. And we can change the other point, like so. And now we'll be going straight here.
That's it.
And there's even directions on.
Lets you know which way it'll go, yeah.
I didn't even crash then. You thought you were getting nervous, weren't you? You were getting nervous.
We didn't put buffer stops on. Yeah.
You don't need buffer stops when I'm driving. No. And then we'll go back out here. Like you said, it's so quick to work, and it goes across so nicely, doesn't it?
Yeah, I mean, ordinarily with most other manufacturers, if you wanted to have turnouts with powered motors, you'd have to buy the point motor, install it under the baseboard. Quite a lot of the time, you'd need to actually solder a lot of these components together, work out a switch, work out how to power a switch. And if this is something that you'd want on your N gauge layout or N scale layout, you could achieve it in a matter of minutes, like what we just did, just by plugging a few components in.
So it really adds another dimension to your non-permanent layout or even your permanent layout.
That's it.
And it was quick and easy, wasn't it?
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for taking the time to demonstrate that in our Kato Unitrack Electric Points Expose.
That's it. Thanks very much, guys. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.